Okay, so continuation lang ta sa atong last kinaputol kay na full storage. So let's start with the n. So ang n nato, copy lang nako here x squared. We have 2y and negative 1. Then ako lang din gi-distribute ang x. That is why nga ni siya. So after ana is imo i-distribute ng negative. Ngano i-distribute na tong negative? Because it will affect ang kaning mga operations nga nagsunod sa iya. So now if butangan na siyang negative, this becomes negative and this becomes positive. So ang mahitabo, that becomes 4y plus 3x minus 2. This becomes negative 2x minus 2y plus 1 over x squared plus 2xy minus x. So I think sa ako alam, it's not necessary nga imo ning i-distribute kay ang endgame mo gud ani is you need to cancel or all the possible nga ma-cancel nimo dali nga part. Pero since para taas ang problem ito nga naon. So now it becomes simplifying it, we can cancel this negative 2y, i-minus na to sa 4y, so this becomes 2 na lang. And as for the x, ang mabili na lang ani is 1. And as for this part, this becomes negative 1 and this will get cancelled. So rewriting it, we can have 2y plus x minus 1. And if we are going to refer it on this part here, na makita ninyo, the n here can be written as like this. So i-rewrite nato. Ngano i-rewrite man nato siya ingana para ma-cancel nato siya, para makuha nato ang integrating factor. So as what you can see, naputol. So as what you can see, we have 2y minus x, I plus x minus 1. It's the same lang siya sa x plus 2y minus 1. So we can cancel it. So ang mabili na lang diri is, now we have 1 over x. And that is now our integrating factor in terms of x. Okay? So ngano nga naman? Because nadawat ni siya nga case because ang final answer kay walay y, di ba? Kung naaga ni siya y here, that becomes a case 2 problem. So mag-utro ka og case 2. Pero akong i-introduce ang case 2 here, but I will not give an example na because it's the same lang yapong scenario ani. Ang nakalain lang is ang ubos niya is negative m na. So this is still not the integrating factor di ay. This is not the integrating factor yet di ay. This is this is mu x rather. Sorry, this is error. This is not mu x. This is mu x. And lahi pod ang imong process sa integrating factor. Okay? So, ang case 2 is, di na ko siya i-explain. Maghatag lang ko formula. So, since na-error ko ganina, this is not ix rather, but a mu x. So, here, we have mu y. Because in case 2, we are referring to y variables. Okay? So, ang case 2 lang, same lang yapon. Partial derivative of n over minus partial derivative of n over negative m. So again, these two formulas here should be memorized. This is not given sa atong figure or sa atong problem, i-memorize na siya. So since nanatay case 2, same lang gyapon. If imong case 1 for example, nagtry ka case 1, tapos ang imong answer here is na y. So therefore, you need to solve again using case 2. And then, hopefully, makancel ni mo tanan, you will then get the value of the mu of y. Okay? After niyo makuha ang mu of x or mu of y, you will then use the integrating factor formula which is ix or iy, depende sa case. So, if imong mu of x, you will use the ix. If mu of y, you will use iy. Pero in cases lang yun, same lang yapon sila. Ang dy o dx lang ang mag-change. So, this is e to the power of integration of mu x dx. Okay? So, it's just like that. Ang daripod is mu y dy. Ana lang. So, after nato nakuha ang mu of x, let's try to find the integrating factor. Okay? Integrating factor now is what? Ang integrating factor nato karon is e to the power of mu of x, which is we have here dx over x. Ganun dx over x man? Because 1 over x multiplied to dx is just the same as dx over x. So, simplifying it or integrating it, we will have the answer of ln x. Diba? So, in short, this can be cancelled because e and ln are equal to 1. So, makancel sila. So, now, we have the answer of integrating factor that is x lang. Okay? So, ayaw mo kalibog. Kaya basin ang mu of x lang inyong ibutang dito sa inyong integrating factor. So, dili pa na mao. So, this is our integrating factor. So, after ana, as I giingon ako ganina, after nato nakuha ang integrating factor, i-multiply nato siya sa equation to make it exact. So, makita ba? Okay, so, after ana is, let's rewrite the formula. So, after ana, rewrite lang natong formula ganina ay problem. We have 2y squared plus 3xy minus 2y plus 6x, and that is multiplied to dx plus x, and we have x plus 2y minus 1, that is dy, is equals to 0. Okay, so after ana is, since we have the calculated I of x here, ang din nato is multiply nato siya sa atong old na formula. So, we will multiply x on both sides. Okay? Since we already multiplied x, mabag-o na ng equation, so we will have now 2xy squared plus 3xy minus 2y plus 6. So, I forgot the squared. And I forgot the x here. So, we have here x squared. And that is multiplied to dx, and this is x multiplied to x and another x, so this becomes x cubed, and this will become 2y, and we have x squared minus negative x squared, that is multiplied to dy, and that is equal to 0. So why did I put x here? So, this is to emphasize class na if mag-multiply gitag something on the other parts sa equals, mag-multiply po ta here. Okay? So, after ato, since mag-multiply ta here, any variable, any number, multiply to 0 is still 0. Okay? So, same lang yapon na siya. So, ako lang ang ginabutang para masabtan ninyo ba, in case bitaw nga kung mag-multiply mo lain number, tapos na ay number here, makalimot mo multiply, kaya di ko nga nag-practice. So, ako lang ang gina-practice good. So, now we have the new values of m and the new values of m. Okay? So, after ana class, actually if you are racing against time, there's no need to multiply, to find it if exact na siya. If confident na mo sa inyong answer, ayaw na pangitaa if exact na siya. Pero since we are di sad ko mo promote ang action, pero you can man pod. So, let's prove it exact siya. So, this is in terms of m over y, because we are deriving it in terms of y. Ako lang siya edit so na. So, this becomes 2x and this becomes 2y, right? Plus, this becomes 3x squared and the y becomes 1 minus 2x plus 0. Why did I put 0? Because this is constant and we are deriving in terms of y. So, that 6x squared is 0. So, rewriting it, we have 4xy plus 3x squared minus 2x. And that is for our partial derivative in terms of m with respect to y. So, we have the second, which is the n over x. So, let's start to derive it. So, in terms of x so ma-derive na to na, that becomes 3x squared. And on this part, in terms of x we have 2y and 2x. And lastly, we have negative 2x. So, rewriting it, we have 3x squared plus 4xy minus 2x. Now, we can say that they are the same. So, this is what? Na-exact na nato siya. So, sakto ang atong integrating factor, sakto ang atong pag-solve. So, after ana is, dito na rin sa pamaagi sa pag-solve sa non-exact, ay exact. Exact na pamaagi na gyapon. So, since exact na siya, solving now is what? Solving now is integrating. And that is in terms sa iyang mga last derivative. Okay, so sa m na to, let's derive it in terms of dx because we have dx at the last part. So we have here 2xy squared plus 3x squared y minus 2yx plus 6x squared, and that is in terms of what? Dx. So let's derive it in terms of x. So integrate rather. So if we are going to integrate this in terms of x, this becomes 2x squared over 2y squared. Di gyapon nato hilabdan ang y because this is constant. So after ana, we have here 3x cubed over 3 and the y stays the same. In this part, we have 2y and the x becomes squared over 2. And lastly, on this part, we will have 6x cubed over 3. Rewriting it, we can cancel 2 here, 3 and 2. So we can put x squared y squared plus x cubed y minus x squared. I forgot to put the y, sorry. So here and on this part, we will write it as 2 because 6 divided by 3 is 2. And copy lang na to ang cube, x cube. So this is for the m. Integrating in terms of dx. So how about sa n na ta? So we are going to integrate in terms of n. Copy lang na ako. So this becomes x cubed plus 2y x squared minus x squared dy. So integrating it in terms of, I forgot to put the integrating sign. Okay, mabutang tayong integrating sign kaya practice na ni Ma'am Likong. Okay, klaro pa. So now in terms of x ay y, so this becomes what? This becomes x cubed, mabutangan siya y. Kaya pag i-integrate nimo ang constant, mabutangan na siya variable niya. After ana, this becomes 2y squared over 2 and the x squared is dili mahilabtan, and lastly we have here x squared y. So cancel ang mga pwede makancel. So rewrite lang na ako x cubed y plus y cubed squared rather x squared minus x squared y. So ang practice na to sa non-exact is napata katong mga g of x o h of g of y o h of x. So in this part, I don't recommend it any longer because nga no, di din ako sa recommend kay nga no, tag-as na kayo ang atong non-exact. So there's a shortcut for that. So and to do that, so we will just write it as f of x or y or the general solution, GenSol, is, let's start with referring to m. So copy nato tanan nga pwede nato makopy. So in this case, makopy nato na tanan dala nga part. So copy lang nako. So we have x squared y squared plus x cubed y minus x squared y, and we have 2x squared cube rather. So after ana class, nasulat na nako ang m. So check na dadto na din ta sa n. So let's start with n. So in this, the trick here is that kung mabalik na gani ang imong function, ayaw na siya isulat. So let's start with x cubed y. So as what you can see, na existing nga x cubed y here. So there's no need to write it again. So after that, dali na ta sa y squared o x squared. So nabali lang ni same lang yapon sila taught in this part. So there's no need to write it again. So naa na pud tay last part, which is the negative x squared y, which is balik lang yapon sa here. So there's no need to write it again. So in short, ma'am, nganong mulay kauban ang 2x squared ay 2x cubed? So maybe basin dali na siya ma-add para ma-same sila, di ba? Ang atong style man sa exact DE is dapat ma-same sila, and that is our ang isa ana is atong final or general solution. So in this part, if wala na nabalik, ayaw na siya ibalik. Pero it doesn't mean nga wala siya appeal if di siya mabalik. Okay? So, ang case here, since ingana ng answer, that means, atong final answer now is this. So, we have here, this will be our general solution. Diba? So, this is our gen solve in the exact or in the non-exact being problem. Okay? So, yun lang.